A Marshall County judge could decide today when to consider if a man serving life without parole for killing a former Grant police chief should get a lighter sentence. WAAY 31's Maddie McCaffrey joins us live now from Gunnersville. And Maddie, you attended that hearing this morning. Tell us what happened.
I did, Tori, today. So the state, the defense, and the judge came to an agreement that the resentencing hearing will happen next year, likely in February. They say since it took place over 20 years ago, it's going to take some time to gather up the witnesses. Now, Brian Butler was 17 years old back when he shot and killed Chief Verlon LeMaster in 2003. That meant the state could not give him the death penalty, but at the time, Alabama law did mandate that minors convicted of capital murder could get life without parole. But a 2012 U.S. Supreme Court opinion called that mandate unconstitutional and said judges should also consider lesser sentences for those minors. Now, Butler wants the judge to apply that Supreme Court opinion to his case. Today, I spoke with Verlon LeMaster's daughter, who says continuing to live through what happened to her father is painful.
Angry, mad, just the simple fact that he shouldn't get a second chance because my dad didn't get a second chance to live. So I just don't think it's right. I think once he was sentenced, he should have been sentenced, and that would have been that.
Now, Butler's also serving a second life sentence for attempted murder for shooting at a Madison County deputy. This sentence does carry a possibility of parole. So if next year, if a judge decides to resentence Butler, that means that he could get out of prison one day. Now, prosecutors tell me today that they're fighting against this. Reporting live in Gunnersville, Maddie McCaffrey, WAAY 31 News.